am K. Prakash, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, SNS College of Technology. Today we are going to discuss a case study on air compressors. So the case study on air compressors is based on the work done. So why work done is incorporated in these air compressors. So before going to the topic, let us see what is an air compressor. So air compressor is a device which is used to increase the atmospheric pressure to the required level. So if you take this setup, so this is a two-stage twin cylinder air compressor. So this is a two-stage twin cylinder air compressor. Here now we are going to discuss about the work done on the compressor. So if the work done here, you can see here this is a motor where the electrical energy is supplied to this air compressor, and then the electrical energy is converted to mechanical energy through a belt drive. So this belt drive, this pulley of this motor is connected with the crankshaft of the drive, so that what happens is here the energy is transferred from one form to another form. So now what happens here? So where the work done is efficient. So this is a twin stage. So here if we go for a twin stage, the work done is the major concept in the air compressors. So in a single stage air compressors, so the required pressure can be raised to an level. If the pressure is to be increased to an level to an more than the required level, then the dimensions of the cylinder, bore, dia, everything should be designed. So the design and the size of the shape of the cylinder becomes very big in case of required pressure is more. So how to overcome this, and what is the problem in this single stage air compressors to raise the pressure to a required high pressure range? So if you consider this, what happens now is, so more amount of heat energy is formed during compression of the air. So when the air is compressed, the more amount of heat energy directly relies on the work done on the motor. So here what happens is more work done is required. So to avoid this, what we are going to do is, we want to reduce the work done by switching to another method. So how to reduce the size, diameter, and get the required layer of the pressure. So now what we are doing is, we want to switch over for another method. So this we are going with the two-stage air compressors. So in this, the work done is based on the three different modes. So the work done is based on the isotropic compression, the work done may be on isothermal compression or polytropic compression. So there are three different types of compressions. So we have to classify what is the work done in case of polytropic compression, what is the work done in case of isothermal compression, and what is the work done in the polytropic compression. So if you based on these things, we have to draw the pressure and volume PV diagram. So what is the purpose of PV diagram is to find out the work done. We calculate the area in the PV diagram, we can calculate the work done. So if we calculate the PV for the pressures for in the different compressions, then we can find out that this isothermal compression gives with the least work done, where the area in the PV diagram is also less. So from that we are concluding that the work done in the isothermal compression is less when compared to the other two compressions. So in the single stage, based on the work done, so we are recommending the isothermal compression for less amount of work done. With the less amount of work done, the required pressure can be raised. So this is in case of single stage reciprocating air compressors. So if the same problem persists, if you want to increase the pressure more and more, what to do? So we will discuss this in the next coming videos. Thank you.